creating economic opportunities for the vast majority of dark-skinned Jamaicans at the bottom. They've not been successful at creating proper infrastructure, physical infrastructure, proper roads and consistent supply of electricity and water for everyone. They've not been successful at addressing some of the main social issues that have led to the level of crime that we have now. But what they have been successful at is silencing any talk of race and wealth inequalities. What they've also been successful at is convincing Jamaicans, mainly black Jamaicans, that this inequity doesn't exist, and convincing us that if we just stop talking about it, then it doesn't exist, it will disappear and problem solved.